Today we are reviewing a summer dress that's getting a lot of attention, and the moment you see it, you'll understand why. The women's 2025 summer maxi dress brings together comfort, design, and practicality in a single piece. The first thing that stands out is the V-neck with subtle hollow-out eyelet details, giving the dress a clean, breathable summer look. Combined with the lightweight fabric, it feels ideal for beach trips, outdoor gatherings, or warm vacation days. The short sleeves and A-line flowy silhouette make it extremely flattering without feeling tight or restrictive. What I like most is how naturally the dress moves, every step feels airy and effortless. The length is perfect for casual daytime plans yet polished enough for evening dinners. If you're searching for a dress that's simple, elegant, and made for summer comfort, this 2025 maxi dress delivers exactly that.